Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's A-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and today we're demonstrating a unit out of a 68 Camaro. This is an AM car radio sent in by Lenny in Jupiter, Florida. I'm an astronomy buff. I like that name, Jupiter, Florida. And this customer has requested the modern FM conversion with Bluetooth, and so she's all ready to go, so let's turn her on and make sure everything works. Okay, I'm going to just run it down the dial here, make sure we pick up some FM stations. Got it set to FM at the moment.
Just like
right through his parting words. Pay as little as $30. I'm just a fool.
Behind the scenes, we are
Some companies that can help you. They may be able to put perfect trust. Go to
woke up in the store and gave with you.
okay.
The Democrats planned.
Okay.
photos and, of course, Chuck's.
Flashlights, we can
Okay, let's flip it over to AM, which on this radio we do by turning off and then right back on. Now we're on AM. We get 2 weak stations at this end, very weak. There's 1, 2, and then we get a stronger one about the center. Okay, there's our strong AM station. Okay, we're going to flip it back to FM and demonstrate a few functions here. Got to flip it on talk radio.
Your earnings history and benefits
or something like that. Okay, you're going to demonstrate the virtual front rear fader. Give our tone control 2 turns to the right for that.
Save time. Go online. Open fader adjust.
Okay, we're going to need our output level meters for this.
Social Security. Securing today.
And now we're using the same control to adjust the front rear speaker balance.
Is ticking away as the left of the 2020 Nissans
okay,
are
I'm going to center the speakers.
Nissan.
Let it time out.
Fader set.
Fader set. Okay, let's try the same thing with the balance, left-right balance. This time we rotate our tone control twice to the left to activate that function, so let's try that.
On a 2020 Pathfinder SV 4x4.
Oh, didn't quite work that time. Try it again.
Or 28% off MSRP on
try
a
it again.
2020 Murano SL.
That doesn't always activate the first time.
That's almost $12,200 in savings. We've even got the fuel-efficient 2020 kicks as low as $15,370. Plus balance.
There we go.
21 is here.
And now we're using the same control to adjust the left-right balance. We're going to center the speakers, stop adjusting.
Balance set.
Okay, and the reason that it doesn't activate all the time on the first try, it takes a few tries to get the particular feel of your radio. If it was easier to activate, then you would accidentally activate it pretty much every time you touch a tone control. So there's kind of a balance between being too easy to activate and not being easy enough to activate. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. Do that by giving our volume control 2 turns to the right.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, you hear the lady coming on saying, Bluetooth ready to pair, and as you know, I don't go to all that time on the demonstration videos. I just make sure it goes into pairing mode. And so now the only thing left to test is the dial light. I'm going to press that a few times, and you can see that light flashing on and off in response to my commands. Let's go back to the unit here. And that's it. That's all the functions. We've tested the AM, FM. Let's make sure we can preset this button to the stations that's playing right now. Okay, go off that station. Come back to it.
I appreciate the fact that we're starting this review.
Okay. Those stations are really close together, so take. There we go. Okay, and that's it. That's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I can do to your old ancient AM car radio. We can add FM, Bluetooth, and although this customer didn't ask for it, we can also do USB, HD radio, and every radio that's sent in for conversion gets an aux input added at no extra charge. So, once again, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. You can reach me at 928-533-9666 for paying, repair, or conversion work only. Don't call that number looking for belts, parts, or free repair advice. Thanks so much for watching and listening. My website is in the description below. We'll see you guys next time. And thank you, Lenny, for your business.